friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the unboxing of the Redmi 210 watts fast charging mobile phone, which is a Redmi Note 12 Explorer edition. Yes friends, finally I did get hands-on with this Redmi Note 12 Explorer edition, so which has got the pretty good fast charging capabilities of 210 watts fast charging along with the 200 megapixel camera. So right now I'm really interested on the fast charging capabilities, so how quick it can actually charge as well. And meanwhile, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel guys, because I'll definitely do the charging speed test comparison and what will be the temperatures while charging with this kind of high fast charging speeds. And even I'll try to use the USB digital tester to test out what is the actual charging speed as well. And this is a Redmi Note 12 Explorer edition, and which has got the Dimensity 1080 processor in this device. So that's also slightly new processor which I'm testing out in my channel for the first time. So I never used the 1080 Dimensity processors. So previously I did use 1200 but not 1080 processors. So let's do the quick unboxing of this device, Redmi Note 12 Explorer edition. So here's a quick look at the device, and along with the phone we got 210 watts fast charging. As you can see friends, 210 watts, which is pretty good. 210. And previously I did use the 120 watts from the Xiaomi itself, 67 watts as well. So I did use, so this is a type C to type C port we should be able to see on this device, and this is the type C to type C cable which we got in the box. That's also pretty good, and I am really interested to test out the charging capabilities as I said, and what will be the temperatures. So along with that we do get the case, so which is a transparent case, so which is not that strong but which is as usual, nothing much unique about this case, which is a normal transparent case which we got, and SIM card removal pin as well along with that. And here is a final look at the phone. So this is a Redmi Note 12 Exploration. So these are the design and everything looks like on the back side. So let me to quickly unwrap this device, and let's start again. And I'll try to switch on the device and I'll walk through about the specifications, what you can expect in the Redmi Note 12 this 210 watts edition. Hi friends, I did finish the unboxing of the Redmi Note 12 Explorer edition, and regarding the specifications, the display has got the 6.67 inches screen size and 120 Hz refresh rate the display will be having, and which has got the OLED and the Dolby Vision support in the display. That's pretty good regarding the display specifications. And regarding overall build quality, it seems to be kind of pretty good guys, because there is a dual speaker setup which is present, and there is 3.5mm jack also is present, and IR blaster is also present. And overall the weight of the phone also feels not that heavy, so it's about 205 grams or 207 grams, around that kind of gram the weight will be there. So overall the build quality also seems to be kind of pretty good, and there is side mounted fingerprint scanner which is present on the side. There's something to be noted regarding the side mounted fingerprint scanner. And regarding the camera has got interesting specifications. So 200 megapixel the main sensor will be present, and 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro lens, and there is dual LED flashlight on the back side as you can see, and which can record up to 4K 30 fps, and the front camera which is of 16 megapixel and which can record 1080, 30 and 60 fps regarding the camera specifications. And overall it feels pretty good friends using the device. So I mean I did not use for a very long time, but I can definitely say I need to test out the fast charging, which is 210 watts fast charging. That's what I'm really interested right now, to test out the charging speed. And the battery is of 4300 mAh of battery capacity which is present in this device. So we should be able to charge in 100% in 9 minutes of time. That is what the exact figure the Xiaomi did give regarding this phone of charging speed. So I need to test that all those things in my charging test. So make sure to hit the subscribe and also follow my channel regularly for more updates on the Redmi Note 12 Explorer model. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching. This is a complete quick unboxing and walkthrough about the specifications, so what you can actually expect. And meanwhile the bezels also looks kind of pretty good, not bad, slim bezels, so which is also another good thing. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates, and bye.